In this video today we will give a review on new upcoming Hollywood comedy and sport movie Bogey. It's been said that for any director casting in off the battle, if you can land the right actor in the right role and getting strong performance, then you are already halfway to a success. Unfortunately for writer-director Eddie Hong, that the where is his future debut Bogey falters badly. The film rests on the shoulder of Taylor Takashi, who worked in Bogey in his sole screen credit to date. Takashi has to bear the full weight of the film's emotional pathos as his character navigates between trying to appease everyone in his life and his own ego. Bogey is a film with a chip on his shoulder, and that gives Hong picture its edges, but all of its strength recedes when Takashi doesn't carry the emotional heft the film requires. Alfred Vogigan is a high school basketball star whose father believes is on track to the NBA. To get there, Bogi transfers to City Prep so he can ultimately play against the city's biggest prospect, Monk. If he can beat Monk, then there's chance at a scholarship at a top 10 school and path to the NBA. However, Bogi mother is a more skeptical about these chances and seeks to find another way to use Bogi talents for the family financial security. Thrown between these competing desires, Bogi is struggling to appease both his parents as well as keep his temper in check, but he does find solace with the classmate Alinier. However, Bogi continues to see his world as a series of obligations that he can't possibly meet to make everyone happy. What I like best about Bogi is that Hong is actively working against a coming of age story like The Catcher in the Rye, a text which is assigned to Bogi and his AP English classmate. I will let it cite that Catcher is kind of below what would be assigned to high school senior taking AP English. The cultural clashes and obligations that Bogi faces are a far cry from Holden Caulfield, and putting Bogi's kind of story on screen is a success for Hong. The film shows Bogi caught between family loyalty and his own desire. Bogi knows he has the talent and the skill, but he is guided by trying to do right by his family, even if he believes that his family doesn't always know how to do right by him. But all of this comes back to the lead character, and Takashi never plays the levels the film requires. Bogi is a good character but undone by a weak performance. I don't say this to take a shot at Takashi, but Bogi will live or dies by its lead, and Takashi never brings much emotional depth or nuance to the title character. Whether Bogi is about to lose his virginity or trying to protect his parents, there's no vulnerability to this performance. That's fine when Bogi is all swagger on the court or Wongi Alinor, but isn't it the smaller moments where this character needs to live? And the film never gave us that. Without a strong central performance, Bogi becomes nothing more than a story about a conflicted Chinese American basketball star who needs to win the big game. I hope you like our review. If you like our review, then hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for more recent updates. Please leave your valuable feedback and thoughts in comments below and let us know how you like our videos. Then we will make more informative videos for you. Our goal is to introduce you to every Hollywood movie and English TV series. Thanks for watching.